Alright guys, how's it going? Got a couple of things in the mail today. Let's have a quick look at them. We'll open this one up first, as I know who this is from. Oh. Ah, awesome. Some stickers from Dee's Knives. Look at those stickers, they're awesome stickers. They really pop. And a magnet. Well, the magnet can go... Look at that, that's pretty nice stickers, isn't they? I know the company's got them from. I'm going to try and put some sort of jollypeanut sticker together. The magnet's going to go straight on the... over here. That'll stick on there because that's metal. There we go. Right on Mr. Marbles. Stick it straight on Mr. Marbles' hat. There we go. Alright, so thanks very much Dee's Knives for sending these to me. I will send you some when I get round to getting them done. And for any of my viewers that haven't checked out Dee's Knives channel, he's got a great channel. I love his choice of knives. Go check him out. Alright, let's get on with this package now. Alright, just plain brown box. This is the Citius. Probably murdering that word, but there you go. I fancied some orange. Got a lot of black knives. I'm throwing some colour into the collection. Alright, let's have a look at this. Yeah, nice. Nice. It's about 4 1/4 inches closed. Thereabouts. I like the clip. The clip is super cool. Yeah, very nice. Looks like a very functional clip. We'll test it in a minute, but the screws are countersunk there, as you can see. So we like flush screws. And SENCUT is, you got Wee Knives who make Civivi as a sort of a mid-range, and SENCUT is the bargain range, if you like. So it's a little flipper knife. There's the flipper there. We're just going to have a quick look at it today. I like the stonewash on it. Looks like you could flick it open real easy, but I'm not a master of that yet. Look at that big opening there. That's pretty cool. Blade length. Just over 3 inches. See how sharp it is. Use it. Invoice paper. Yeah. Not bad. Oh yeah. That's pretty slicey. Let's see how slicey it is on this phone book style thin paper. Look at that. Super slicey. Just how I like it. Deep, nice and deep. Awesome clip, I like it. I like it a lot. Look at that. Can't ask for better than that. Ching! Ching! blade stock, 3mm blade stock. Look at that blade, that's a very pokey blade for sure. Handle, I've got extra large hands, and even on the reverse grip I can put my thumb on the end there. Pop pop. Yeah, nice. Where's the detent? Yeah, detent's right there. Let's see if we can shake it shut. It's a light blade, so yeah, we can shake it shut. Take a little bit of wearing in. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll get a bit of practice in with this knife doing that. That's what I got it for, partly. I like the blade shape. I like the it's a very slicey, flat grind, kind of tactical blade. If there's any Amazon links, I'll put them up. If not, I'll put up the direct to SENCUT. They didn't take long in the mail. No jimping up here, but it feels good. The edges are sort of rounded off a little. You can see there. I love that. I love the design. The design is awesome. Whoever designed this one did a good job. Skeletonized in there. Lots of milled out holes in there. A little bit on the end on the lock side as well, on the liner lock side. Yep, I tell you what, I could see this being in one of my favourites for carrying. Got the flipper, you got the flicker that I'm rubbish at, but I want to learn. Ah, there we go. Can you see the pins either side of the blade? They lock in the closed position and then the open position up here. Pretty interesting mechanism. Alright, so here's a quick size comparison here. We got the Cirius, the Civivi Elementum, Kaiser Beglette, and a Buck 110. So it is smaller than them, but not by much. Look at the Civivi Elementum, and that isn't a small blade, that's a 3.5 inch blade on the Civivi. So not a lot in it, not a lot in it at all. And there's a Buck 110, everyone knows the size of the Buck 110. T8 pivot screw, T8 body screws too. That's awesome. There must be T6 in here. Yeah, they're T6 on the clip, but all the other screws, T8. That's brilliant. Less chance of stripping them out. Blade centering, bang on. Cool, I like it. First impressions anyway. I've got to get this down. This flicking stuff going. Yeah. This is a great knife to learn this flicking on, I reckon. Especially, I got big hands, I got shovel hands, and I can get my finger in there no problem. It's just I'm not used to doing it. But I reckon, give me a week, I'll be an expert. Alright, catch you later guys. Maybe even just a few hours. Let's see if I can get it last time. Yeah, it's coming. Alright, thanks guys, catch you later. And check out Big D's D's Knives. There'll be a link in the video description there.